All right, boys and girls. Well, mostly boys, because girls don't watch the video, according to my analytics. Today, we are installing Injen Tune Technology Super Nano Web Dry Filter Media, and it came with the dust water boot with a little fancy rubber logo on the side. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I didn't want to pay the $270 or so that it was going to cost for everything brand new plus the filter. One was on eBay. My boy got it for a good deal. This was not so much of a good deal, but still better than buying it brand new. So here it is. So at 166,000 miles, why not throw a true cold air intake CAI on Maxi? So let's get started. Of course, it's the black, dark gray, whatever, you know, whatever color it is. They come in this color and the chrome or the polished. Of course, the filter, the little pre-filter, whatever. I got 3 clamps, a rubber mount, a coupler. So let's move this stuff to the side. Let's get the old box out and get the new stuff in. So first, let's take the engine cover off. Throw this to the side. And then from here, I see some 10mm bolts, 10mm bolt, 10mm Phillips head, and I don't know what else. So let's get started. I'm going to disconnect this for hopefully a least chance of breaking something, least chance of losing screws. So let's get started. So this is connected via a little clip that we are going to let go like that. Oh, okay, here we go. And we're gonna need to remove the MAF. Don't drop this, damage this. Don't touch the filaments. Don't let anything waste on it. Don't breathe on it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Drop that right on in there, just like that. All right, safe and sound. All right, my iEoop dry flow filter. Let me see. Are these just rubber grommets holding this on? Oh, yeah, that's what it seems like. So you got 2 in the back. Oh! You got 2 in the back that pops off, and you have 1 right here in the front right, or front passenger side, that pops off, and oh, it comes right out. This is huge. 21.5 inches tall, long, whatever. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. That thing is massive. The link for these will be in the description. They are awesome. High, medium, low, service light, off, micro, USB rechargeable battery. It is magnetic. And if your car is aluminum or fiberglass, it has a hook. So you can hang it from somewhere if you want to. Awesome deal. And it comes with 2 of them. My other one is somewhere. I don't know. That's why it comes with 2. So you can, oh, there it is. You can misplace one and still have another. I'll put the link in the description for these. This opens up a lot of real estate down here. All right, so let's get the filter on the tube. 65, 80, 59, 82. Okay, all 3 are different. So this is the biggest. So boom, you get that. This is the second smallest, and this is the smallest. All right, so I'm taking it. What the hell? All right, let me figure this out real quick. So my car is a 2014 Mazda 6 Grand Touring with both tech packages. So it's fully loaded for 2014. Got every bell and whistle that was offered. Included in that is the iEoop, which is a capacitor which charges off the battery, and once it's charged, the alternator stops, and then it uses the energy stored in the capacitor to basically run the car. Well, right where the filter goes, which is in between this bracket and the front core support mount here, is my capacitor for my iEoop. So with that being said, this concludes the installation of the engine on my 2014 Mazda 6 GT with both tech packages. If you are watching this, if you have a GT with iEoop, which I think it only went from maybe 2014 to 2016. I don't think they offered it after 2016. I don't think the 17, 18s, 19, 20s, 21s, I don't think come with iEoop. So if you don't have iEoop, you can run it. If you have iEoop, you cannot run it because you physically don't have the space to put the filter. So watch me reinstall what I uninstalled, and that will complete the installation of the Injen CAI. Well, since the Injen CAI did not fit because I have iEoop, it is packed up and it is going to its new owner. In the mail it goes. So now I guess we'll hop into 6 and we'll head on out. But let me show y'all something real cool real quick before we go. Watch this. Ooh. Just watch this. Alright, so it'll be a video on that in the future. But until then, just remember, if you have a GT with iEoop, the Injen CAI will not work for you. Peace.